Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Very good. So yesterday, it was holiday. It was day before yesterday. Now again, you were not available.
Yeah.
As you might know that weekend. So today we are going to talk about something new, but before that there is a revision. So you are ready for the revision?
Yes, sir.
Who is there on your left side? Who is there on your left side?
There is Umar Shazad in my left side.
Very good, beta. On your left side. There is Mr. Umar on your left side. Who is there on your right side?
There is Tanveer Sultan on my left side.
Take it easy, take it. On your right side. There is Mr. Omar on, Omar, better sit properly, yes, take it easy like that. There is Mr. Omar on your left side. There is Mr. Tanveer Sultan on your right side. Who is there in front of you?
There is my teacher,
Okay,
Rafi Mujahid,
okay,
in front me.
in front of me, in front of me.
In front of me.
There is a teacher in front of you. Who is there behind you?
There is nothing.
There is,
Nothing. Nothing.
very good. Once again,
There is none
there is none behind you.
behind.
Revision. What? Revision. Once again, there is Mr. Tanveer Sultan on your right side. There is a teacher in front of you. There is Mr. Omar on your left side. There is a none behind you.
Sir, ये none is spelling.
N-O-N-E. None.
No, but
N-O-N-E. None. There's a none. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Omar, who is there on your right side?
There is Muhammad Siklan on my right side.
Only Muhammad Saklan. Who is there on your right side?
There are
Very
Muhammad
good.
Siklan and Tanveer.
Excellent, Beta. There are two students, there are two boys, there are two friends. Clear? There are Mr. Tanveer Sultan and Muhammad Saklan on your right side. Who is there on your left side?
There is none
There is none. Where?
on my left side.
And behind you. There is none on your left side and behind you. Who is there in front of you?
There is my teacher in front of me.
Very good. There is a teacher, there is your teacher in front of you. Very good. Gentlemen, who is there on your right side?
there is none.
There is none. Complete answer, Beta. Who is there on your right side?
There is none on my right side.
Very good. There is none on your right side. Who is there on your left side?
There are my two friends.
Very good.
Siklan and
Okay.
Umar.
I love you,
All
my
on
son.
my
Excellent, excellent. I love you, my son. There are two friends. There are your two friends on your left side. Their names are Umar Shazad and Muhammad Sakalan. Very good. Who is there behind you?
There is none on my behind.
No, beta, no again on.
There is none
Where?
behind.
Excellent. Behind?
On.
Behind me.
Very good. Behind him.
Right.
Behind me. Okay, who's there in front of you?
There is my teacher.
Very good. There's an old man. No, there's a Pakistani. And there's a teacher. There's a trainer. There's no language instructor.
In front of me.
Very good. Repeat. In the morning, you left your home. You left Chua Sharif.
Yes, sir.
What was the time when you left?
Jewish.
What was it? It was?
It was 7 o'clock.
It was 7 a.m.
Yes.
It was 7 a.m. What was the time when you left your home in the morning?
It was 25 a.m.
7:25 a.m.
It's 7:20.
It was 7:25 7:45 a.m. when you left your home in the morning.
Yes.
No, you left Joshua.
Yes.
Gee, what was the time when you left your home?
It was 7:25.
A.m.
Yes.
My question, who was there at your home at that time? Who was there at your home at that time when you left? Who was there and which corner of the house? Which room of the house? Which part of the house? For example, there was my father. There was
My father.
my father where? In the TV lounge. Clear?
Yes.
In the drawing room, in the bedroom, in the kitchen, at the dining table, in the lawn, in front of the main gate. Clear?
Yes.
In the street, in the farm, at the farm. Gee, who was there? When you left your home in the morning, who was there at your home?
There is my mother.
There is.
Better think. There?
There was my mother
Very. Where?
in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. So there was your mother in the kitchen. वह जब आप घर से निकले तो आपकी अम्मी किचन में थी. Where was your father?
There was my father in bedroom.
Very good. There's my father in the bedroom. अम्मी किचन में थी, अब्बू बेडरूम में थे. Now, where was your brother?
Sleep.
There was
हाँ.
in a room.
Who? Who?
In the room.
Who was there? Who? Brother.
Yes.
There was my brother. Where?
In the room.
In the room. Very good. Who was there? And which corner of the house?
There was my mother in the kitchen.
Very good.
There was my father in the room.
Okay.
There was my brother in the TV room.
Very good bit. So simple that, you know. There was the mother in the kitchen. There was the father in the TV lawn or in the room. There was my brother where? In the TV room, and in the bedroom, again, in the drawing room, in front of the main gate, clear inside the house or outside the house. Ji.
There was father.
There was my
There
father.
was my father in the front of main gate.
Excellent, very in front of the main gate. सच्ची गल पे कर दिया उन्होंने. ये सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
द्वारे अब्बा जी उस वक्त मेन गेट के सामने. वेरी गुड. देयर वाज योर फादर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मेन गेट. वेरी गुड जी.
There was my mother in the kitchen.
इन द किचन. देयर वाज योर मदर इन द किचन. अम्मी जान उस वक्त थी कहाँ पे? किचन में. जी. अगी वाली कोठी. है ना साइड अगी वाली कोठी. जी.
There was my brother.
ओके.
Sleep.
वेयर वो तो बात
In
बड़ी.
the room.
Which room? Bedroom.
Bedroom.
There was my brother in the bedroom. माशाल्लाह. क्लियर की बात है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा आप घर जाओगे आप?
Yes,
घर जाओगे ना?
Yes.
Yes.
गेस करें जब घर पहुंचोगे कौन होगा घर में और किस हिस्से में होगा? क्वेश्चन क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Who will be there and which corner of the house? For example, there will be my mother. There will be my mother. There समझ आई आपको बात?
Yes, sir.
देखो ना ये था there
Yes,
is
my mother.
किया ना?
Yes, sir.
फिर हम आज हम ऐड कर रहे हैं was. ये हम कर रहे हैं
Will be.
will be. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
फिर यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Who. ये क्या हो गया? Who. इधर भी क्या होगा? Who. Very good. सीधे ना? There is who. There is Mr.
The me on
The me where?
on the chair.
Very good. इसके बाद सारे यहाँ पे क्या होंगे? Where? है क्या?
Yes, sir.
देखिए, there is Mr. Tanveer in the chair. Where? In the chair on your right side, in front of me. Clear? Between the whiteboard and you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी. फिर हमने किया there was. इधर देखिए बेटे. There was. There was my father. There was my father. Where? In the TV lounge. There was my mother in the kitchen. There was some guests. There were. ये तो पता है आपको? Was. Is और are भी पता होगा आपको?
Yes,
They
sir.
are my friends अभी कह रहे हैं. ये इसी तरह रहते हैं.
ये
So there were.
work.
चौथी जो E.
इसका थोड़ा
But it's for singular and it's for plural.
Yes, sir.
Plural. It's singular. Plural. Clear? One, more than one.
They are my brother
Okay?
in the bedroom.
हाँ, लेकिन बेटा वो तो फिर brother एक ही है ना?
They are
My
all
good
brothers.
brother.
अच्छा, very good बेटा. They are my brothers. They are
There was some
very good. There was some guests where?
in the
In the drawing room. In the drawing room. बैठे थे?
Yes, sir.
In the drawing room. Very good. ये बात clear हुई?
Yes, sir.
अब इसके एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. See, there will be
They will be
my mother.
My mother.
अम्मी होंगी कहाँ पे?
in the kitchen.
Very good. There will be my mother in the kitchen. There will be my father
In the bedroom.
in the bedroom. अब जी कम को नहीं सोने दो वक्त. अम्मी तो समझ लो नीचे तो सही है डांस से पढ़ा रही है ना. ठीक है जी कुछ लिखे चना नंबर तो दौड़ लगी हो सके. रेस्ट की तो सी हूँ तो सी बैठो. फिर बड़ी तैयारी करते क्वेश्चन को पुत्र होने पर पढ़ के. है ना?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अब जी मैं हैरान हो रहा हूँ. अब जी उसे बैठे हो नहीं बैठे. Now they will be my father in the field. खेतों में होंगे जी. At the shop. दुकान पे होंगे जी. In his office. दफ्तर में होंगे जी. जी, हरी आप. जल्दी करें, जल्दी करें.
there will be my father in the city.
Very good. There will be my father in the city. City बेटा. In the city. In the town. मेरे अबू शहर में होंगे. टाउन में होंगे. कस्बे में होंगे जी.
There will be my brother outside the house.
Very good बेटा. There will be your brother outside the house. Outside आपके भाई घर से बाहर होंगे. Very good.
There will be my family in wait for me.
नहीं वो तो बात नहीं वो कल आगे करना है. वो अगली बार नहीं हूँ की बुनियाद में करें मैं कल ये बताऊंगा. कौन के करेगा नहीं थे के करेंगे तो आगे थे के क्रेजी ये थे कल ये तो सेल इंग्लिश शुरू नहीं. असल इंग्लिश ये तो सारा था बताया था इंट्रोडक्टरी जी.
There will be my
So there will be
My father.
your family. There will be your family there at home in the house. Clear?
Yes.
Inside the house मेरी family घर के अंदर होगी जी.
There will be my father drive a car.
नहीं बेटा ये ड्राइवर कार नहीं होंगे कहाँ पे? रोड पे होंगे बस स्टेशन पर in the car. Very good. There will be father in the car on the road at the bus station at the taxi to stand. Clear?
Yes.
ऐसे हो सकता है जी. उमर
There is my mother in the kitchen.
देर अच्छा चलो तो सामने किचन पे नहीं करना. अच्छा कॉलेज सुबह जाएंगे जाएंगे ना इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह का हुक्म है कि इंशाल्लाह है. अल्लाह के नबी को हुक्म है ला तक़ूलन्न लिशैइन इन्नी फ़ाइलु ज़ालिका गदा इल्ला इन सूरह काफ है. सख्त पाबंदी इंशाल्लाह. ठीक सुबह जब कॉलेज पहुंचोगे ऐसे पहुंचे कौन होगा? Who will be there and which corner of the
There is-
There will be many students in the college.
सोच के बैठो.
There will be
Who? Many students. There will be many students there
in the college.
in the college,
Inside the college.
inside the college, outside the college, on the road, by the road, in the rooms, in the playground, in the assembly ground, as in the park. Very good. Clear, man? Now look at you. Who else will be there in the college and which corner of the college? Please.
Yes.
Who else? इसके अलावा और कौन? बताया था ना else, what else? ये देख लें. हम कहते हैं ना what else? इसके अलावा और क्या? आज मैंने बोला भी सामने who else?
Yes, sir. This too.
इसके अलावा और कौन?
There will be principal in the principal office.
Excellent, very good. So there will be
Principal.
principal in the principal office, no?
There will be staff in the staff.
Excellent, love you my son. मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है ना आपको चीजें क्लियर होती आ रही हैं.
Yes, sir.
There will be staff, क्या कहना है? Staff. अगर staff कहेंगे तो वो जो लोग काम करते हैं इसी दफ्तर. अगर आप इसे कहोगे ना staff, spelling हुई है. क्या पढ़ना है?
Staff.
अब इसका मतलब होगा डंडा. सोटा नहीं होगा सोटा, बुढ़ी सोटी.
Yes, sir.
उसे क्या कहते हैं? Staff. इसलिए मोहताज रहना है. There will be staff in the staff room. बड़े बड़े है ना? There will be a staff एक सोटा पे उसी कितने?
In the staff.
In the staff room.
हो सकता है जी.
What possible? जी, there will be staff in the staff room. जी बेटा और there will be a security guard.
टीचर रूम
वेरी गुड, उसे टीचर नहीं, उसे
क्लास
इन द क्लासरूम,
ऑफ
कॉमन रूम हो सकता है, वही जो बेटा स्टाफ रूम है ना। There will be a teacher in the classroom. There will जी excellent. जरा समझिए इसे किस तरह का है। उम्र थोड़ा हो रही, इसके अंदर पीछे ITCH एंड अंदर खुली नहीं खुली लोग HITCH ये ना बताया वो तो करेगा, इनको कहते हैं स्क्रैच, कार्ड करना है स्क्रैच, तो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ पर स्क्रैच कर रहे हो, अगर पीछे हो खैर कोई टेक इट इजी, एंजॉय भी करो यार, ये उम्र है एंजॉय करने की। तो फिर साढ़े फादर वैसे नहीं है कानों से काम करते तो उसमें दाल मुखी गई एंड प्लीज सो देयर विल बी हम बात कर रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, कौन सा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, सो देयर विल बी अ सिक्योरिटी गार्ड एट द मेन गेट, at the main gate जी। और कौन होगा आपको कहाँ पे, हरिए बेटा।
There will be gardener in the park.
Excellent, there will be a gardener in the park जी। बोलिए
there will be cash
There will be sweeper.
there will be accountant, आप वैसे वो बाबा there will be an accountant
counter in the counter room
in the accounts department, in the accounts office, उनका अपना दफ्तर है accounts, so there will be an accountant in the accounts department, there will be a receptionist at the receptionist or at the reception desk,
There will be librarian in the library.
excellent beta, there will be a librarian in the library, library क्या होता है, library नहीं library, there will be a librarian in the library जी।
There will be examiner.
There will be examiner
Examination room.
in the examination hall, in the examination room, very good now जी। There will be a lab attendant, there will be a lab attendant, जानते हैं ना lab attendant,
Yes sir.
where in the labs, there will be an IT teacher, there will be an IT teacher, आप ICS कर रहे हो ना,
Yes sir.
where in the computer lab, very
there will be shopkeeper in the canteen
अच्छा हाँ very good, उसे कह रहे हैं आप very good no, beautiful ना, ये कह रहे हैं जी कि there will be a waiter at the canteen, there will be a seller at the canteen, there will be a shopkeeper at the canteen, clear? There will be a उसे
कैश कीपर तो इन नहीं होगा, अंदर है canteen।
अच्छा हाँ ये कहानी आपने अच्छा आप यार अंधे हो गए, चलो ठीक है मान लेते हैं, लेकिन डिटेल बताऊंगा एट ही कहना है, ठीक है ना, एट द कैंटीन, ये इनकी तफसील सॉरी जेंटलमैन, ये बाद में कहानी लंबी हो जाएगी। हाँ जी अच्छा ये बात क्लियर हुई आप?
यस सर।
मुझे बताइए हॉस्पिटल में कौन होता है?
देयर विल बी पेशेंट,
नहीं मेरा सवाल समझिए,
There was.
नहीं मेरा सवाल समझिए बेटे, हॉस्पिटल में कौन होता है? There are doctors in the hospital,
Doctor and nurse.
हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, there are nurses in the hospital, ऐसे है ना?
यस
Yes.
और कौन होते हैं
There are patients.
in the hospital जी?
There are nurses
There are nurses
in the hospital.
in the hospital,
देयर आर फैमिली मेंबर,
very good, now in the very good, there are members of the family, फैमिली मेंबर्स नहीं कहते बेटा, आपकी करेक्शन मैंने बता रहा हूँ, ये चीजों को याद रखिए, आपके पेपर में आती है,
मेंबर ऑफ फैमिली,
members of the family, family members नहीं कहना, याद नहीं पानी, so there are members of the family where in the hospital, in the wards, clear,
Yes.
with the patients, clear,
यस
अच्छा जी ये होते हैं। अब जरा गेस करें, टाइम है 1:57, इस वक्त हॉस्पिटल में कौन होगा? सवाल समझे? Who will be there in the hospitals at this time? होते तो ये हैं, डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, नर्सेज होती हैं, लैब अटेंडेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, टेक्नीशियंस होते हैं, मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होते हैं, सारे होते हैं ना मरीज। इस वक्त कौन होगा?
They are paid.
They are doctor in the hospital this time. In this time.
सोच के बैठो,
There is doctor.
सोच के। उम्र आप सोचिए जरा, मेरा सवाल समझा? मेरा सवाल
There-
कौन होगा?
There are
सोच के बैठो।
There will be.
हाँ, कौन होगा भाई? डॉक्टर्स होंगे, देयर विल बी, ये बताना है ना।
Yes.
इस वक्त डॉक्टर होंगे, इस वक्त मरीज होंगे, इस वक्त रिक्शे वाले खड़े होंगे बाहर मेन गेट पे, बिल्कुल वो भी बड़ी बात सुनाइए।
Yes, sir, yes.
Who will be there in the hospitals at this time?
There will be doctor
There will be doctors
in the
hospital
this time.
this time, right now. जी,
There will be patient in the hospital at this time.
very good, जी,
There will be nurses
very good.
in the hospital.
Okay.
Right now.
अच्छा मुझे बताइए, जो प्ले आपका जो ग्राउंड है जब्बी का, अब जो शरीफ का, who will be there in the playground right now? हाँ बतानी है, पूरी बात बतानी है।
There will be empty.
There will be
Empty.
नहीं,
There will be none.
very good. There will be none. Where?
In the
playground. There will be none in the playground. मैं playground कौन सा? आपके चोआ शरीफ वाला playground. Who will be there in the playground in the evening?
There will be many players.
Very good. No, there will be none in the playground at this time, but in the evening. But in the evening, after the Asr prayers, before the Maghrib prayers, clear?
Yes, sir.
There will be many players. There will be many boys. There will be your friends. There will be people from different corner of Nokchoa. ऐसी है ना
Yes, sir.
जी। अच्छा और बात है, मार्केट्स को जानते हैं? मार्केट्स में कौन कौन होता है जरा बताइए? Who is there in the market? जी,
There are Sajid.
There are shopkeepers in the markets. Markets में shopkeepers होते हैं। और कौन होते
There
हैं?
is tailor in the market.
There are tailors. Very good. There are tailors. जी, who else? जी बेटा।
There are hawkers in the market.
There are hawkers, very good. There are shopkeepers, there are hawkers, there are
Tailor.
tailors. जी,
There
जो
are
खरीदार होते हैं,
There are many people.
people एक तो नहीं कहते बेटा, people.
People.
क्या कहते हैं?
People.
People. उम्र क्या होता है?
People.
सकलन क्या होता है? People. अच्छा, there are many people. बहुत से लोग होते हैं जी। और क्या है? और कौन कौन होते हैं? There are beggars. Beggars भी होते हैं, भीख मांगने वाले।
Yes, sir.
There are beggars. और शॉपकीपर्स होते हैं, तो वहां से जो चीजें खरीदते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं?
समझ नहीं आ रही।
Customers.
Customer.
There are customers in the market.
Many customers.
There are
Many
many customers in the market. अच्छा, ये तो आपका नक्शा है, वो जो आपका एक तस्वीर है मार्केट। अच्छा, अब भी मार्केट्स होंगी ना?
Yes, sir.
खुली होंगी।
Yes, sir.
No, the markets will be open. ऐसे ही ना? The markets will be open. मेरा सवाल अब ये है कि 2 बज गए, मुझे बताइए who will be there in the markets right now at this time?
There are shopkeepers.
सोच के।
There will be shopkeepers.
There are shopkeepers and there will be shopkeepers right now. Shopkeepers वो होते हैं और होंगे। There will be shopkeepers now in the market at this time. जी,
There will be customer in market.
in the market.
This
Market
There
बेटा।
will be beggars.
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 एक लफ्ज़ रिपीट देखिए, मार्केट नहीं होता, मार्केट,
Market.
किट,
Market.
किट, याद है कौन?
Yes.
So there will be market in the, where there will be
Market.
customers in the market. There will be shopkeepers in the market. There will be beggars in the market. जी,
There will be hawker in the.
there will be hawkers in the market. अच्छा, रात के 11 बजे, क्या?
11 बजे।
आप 11 बजे इसी जोराबाद वाली मार्केट में आए या जाएं, who will be there?
There will be police.
Very good. There will be policemen. There will be policemen in the market. There will be security guards. ऐसे है ना जी? Who else will be there?
There will be many people.
Many people. रात 11 बजे भी देख लो.
Some people.
There will be some people. हो सकता है हमारी तरह जो है लोग घूमने फिरने वाले रात को. अच्छा जी.
There will be.
सोची मुझे आज इस लेसन को वाइंड अप करना है. कल हमें बहुत मजे का लेसन भी शुरू करना है. जिसे आप क्या कहते हैं वो टेंसेस मैसेज वाले ड्रामे जो है ना, मुझे उनसे निजात दिलानी है आपको. ऐसे वेरी इजी. जी बेटा. Who is there in your mind? इस वक्त आपके दिमाग में कौन है? Who is there?
There will be
अच्छा
animal.
चलो नहीं वो पुरानी होगी बात.
Dog.
पुरानी गल्ला सुन ले को सर जी. Who is there in your mind at this time? आपके दिमाग में कौन है सब? मैंने what नहीं पूछा, मैंने कहा who is there in your mind at this time?
There will be teacher.
नहीं what नहीं. Who is there in your mind?
There will be teacher.
There is knowledge.
Both better what है? What is there in your mind? There is knowledge.
Yes.
There are doubts. There are questions. There are ideas. There are thoughts. Both are Quran. Who?
There will be.
There is teacher.
There is teacher in your mind.
Yes. Sir.
There is your mother. There is your father. There is no Allah Almighty. There is Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They are your relatives.
Yes.
They are different people. Clear?
Yes.
There is your boyfriend. There is your girlfriend. There is your neighbor. इन्हें ना वो जड़ है क्यों कहते हैं? गाड़ी बोल. नहीं आपके दोस्त नहीं हैं. बॉयफ्रेंड है ना? गर्लफ्रेंड भी होगी कि नहीं है?
ले.
पक्की कर ले. हाँ नहीं.
नहीं है.
पक्की कर ले तो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगी. इसका पता लगना है. तो वो खातून अगर वे भी गई तो कैसी मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ ये मतलब है कि ये तनवीर ले रहा है. कहानी उलट है वैसे. जी. There is none. There is none. मेरे दिमाग में कोई नहीं. There is someone. मेरे दिमाग में कोई है. ठीक है. There is Allah Almighty. There is Prophet Muhammad Sallam. There is my mother. There is my father. There are my relatives. बात clear हुई?
Yes sir.
अच्छा आप अगर जाएं, if you visit the park, the garden, if you go to the park, if you go to the garden, who will be there in the garden? किस को देखोगे garden? कौन होगा? Who will be there?
There will be children in the.
Very good. There will be children in the park.
There will be some girl and some boy.
Excellent. There will be some boys and some girls. You know, there will be some boys and girls. Where?
There will be many women.
Very good. अच्छा किया. हमारे यहाँ से गलत पढ़ते हैं. ये बेटा देखिए. WOMAN ये सिंगुलर है. इसे क्या पढ़ते हैं? Woman.
Woman.
क्या पढ़ना है इसे? Woman.
Woman.
क्या कहते हैं?
Woman.
वो मैं नहीं कहना. उम्र कहिए. Woman. Very good. अगर if it is plural,
Women.
नहीं बेटा. ये तो कहानी है ना. इसे कहते हैं
Women.
women. क्या कहते हैं? women. अब ये दोनों लफ्ज आपने अपने दोस्तों को बताने हैं. वो पूछे कहाँ है तो आप वेबसाइट बता सकते हो. हो जैसे का इस पे लिखिए जो मैंने आपको अच्छे बुकलेट आपको दिया. howjse.com, thefreedictionary.com, theoxforddictionaries.com. उस पे ये सारा सुन सकते हो. अच्छा जी. Woman, women. So there will be many
Women.
Women, very good. There will be many women in the park. There will be children in the park. There will be boys and girls in the park. Women. मेरे प्यारे बच्चे. खातून. Women, खवातीन. मुझे लफ्ज औरत अच्छा नहीं लगता, बुरा लगता. खातून कितना प्यारा लफ्ज.
Yes.
खातून खवातीन. ठीक है.
Yes.
निस्वा और निसा. हाँ जी प्लीज. औरत क्यों मैं उससे अवॉइड करता हूँ क्योंकि बताऊंगा. हाँ जी अब देख लो
Yes, sir.
Aisha is a woman, Fatima is
Woman.
woman. Aisha and Fatima are
Women.
Women. Very good. Your mother is
Woman.
woman. Your mother is
Woman.
woman. Your mother is
Woman.
Your mothers are women. MashaAllah. Woman and
Women.
women. अच्छा, so there will be many women in the park. जी आगे चलें.
There will be my parent
Very good.
in the park.
Very,
There will be member of family.
very good. They will be the members of the family in the park. बात क्लियर होगी?
Yes, sir.
यही आपने प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है, ऐसे सवाल करना है, ऐसे सोच के यार ये जो क्लिनिक्स होते हैं, क्या मैंने लफ्ज बोला?
Clinics.
क्लिनिक, क्लिनिक नहीं कहना, गलत होता है। क्लिनिक,
Clinic.
क्लिनिक में कौन कौन होता है? डॉक्टर होता है, उसके कंपाउंडर्स होते हैं, मरीज होते हैं, रिसेप्शनिस्ट होता है, लैब टेक्नीशियन होता है, लैब अटेंडेंट होता है। तो लास्ट टाइम जब मैं गया था तो कौन था? अब जाऊंगा तो कौन होगा? बात क्लियर होगी?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करें। क्लियर हुआ? See, there is principal in the principal office. There was principal in the principal office yesterday. No, in the morning. There will be principal in the principal office right now, in the time to come, tomorrow. बात क्लियर होगी?
पक्की बात है।
Any question?
No.
Concept of
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
ये
What?
सर एक
हाँ।
बात, ये सर वही कंसेप्ट है ना जो पहली बार हमने पढ़ा था 8 बार।
हाँ, आज हमने सिर्फ चेंज किया ना, वेरी गुड बेटा, हमने सिर्फ इसे चेंज किया है। वो तो लिखा है ना कि ये मोबाइल है, इट्स अ मोबाइल। अब हमने पढ़ा है कि मोबाइल हमारा है कहाँ पे? देयर इज अ मोबाइल ऑन द palm, मोबाइल हथेली पे है। फर्क पता चला ना?
Yes. It.
हाँ।
It के साथ it will be a mobile.
वो लिखा है, it is, it was, it will be।
इधर देर आ गया सर एक बार।
हाँ, ये सिर्फ फर्क बताना है कि वर्ष दे कोई चीज कहाँ पे, क्या है और कहाँ है, कौन है और कहाँ है, ये हमने ये ऐड किया जी। पहले हमने पढ़ा था
ये जगह बताने के लिए।
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली राइट,
So your wrong चीज के बारे में बताएं।
एब्सोल्युटली। ये सुना ना, आज क्या दिन है?
It is.
इट इज मंडे, इट इज मंडे। कल क्या दिन था?
It
इट वाज संडे। कल क्या दिन होगा?
It will be
Tuesday. It is Monday today, it was Sunday yesterday, it will be
Tuesday.
Tuesday tomorrow.